Welcome back to Milo Gains Crypto, where Milo and I move to make crypto. Alright, here we are again. Hopefully, after watching my previous STEPN Basics videos, you feel more knowledgeable about STEPN gameplay, where your investment is going, and how it may return to you. We've covered energy, your total move time per day, sneaker type, your preference to walk, run, or do both, and most recently, sneaker quality, the higher or lower earning potential depending on the sneaker. But we've got some more ground to cover. Now, let's move on to sneaker attributes and how you choose to distribute attribute points with each level up. This choice, your choice to distribute your attribute points, will present a significant step toward individuating your sneaker in terms of what it can earn. For a fresh reminder, every sneaker will have 4 attributes: efficiency, luck, comfort, and resilience. Each sneaker at level 0 will have a base attribute point position, all varying and all dependent on the sneaker's quality. Higher quality sneakers equal more starting attribute points, and higher quality sneakers equal more attribute points to distribute with every level up. Now, assuming you have decided to level up your sneaker, whether to level 10, 20, or the last level, 30, you will consider again your sneaker's attributes and decide which attributes to enhance and by just how many points. So shall we? Let's now answer, which attribute earns what? Which crypto? Which reward? To what benefit? First, there's efficiency. Your sneaker's efficiency point value is its capacity to earn the green Satoshi token, or GST. GST has a few main distinctions. A certain amount of GST is rewarded to you per minute of movement, per 1/5 of one total energy use. The higher your efficiency attribute points, the more GST you will earn per single minute. With this, your total amount of GST earnings per one energy will roughly be the same. As for GST's tokenomics, it has an unlimited supply and can only be earned and used in its respective realm or chain. Therefore, there's currently Solana GST, Ethereum GST, and Binance GST, all of which can only be earned and used on the chain you are playing on. This will make the price of the respective GST different from another. However, for all chains, you can only earn a max of 300 GST within a 24-hour day, unless further upgrades with GMT. Additionally, GST is needed to engage in further gameplay with in-app utility. When GST is spent, or rather burned, this GST no longer exists and that is forever eliminated from the current existing GST supply. To name a few burning mechanisms, GST burning is required for repairing and restoring sneakers, leveling up sneakers, unlocking gem sockets, and opening mystery boxes. You essentially cannot play, advance, and continue earning in the game for very long without GST. So, when all is said and done, after you've earned and burned however many GST tokens you need in order to sustain your position within the game, you can either hold your GST or cash it out whenever you'd like. Now, going back to mystery boxes, let's talk about the next attribute, luck. Okay, disclaimer up front. The luck attribute and its earning rewards, in my opinion, make it the most difficult when trying to predictively calculate an ROI. Here's why. Unlike GST, which distributes the token evenly for every minute and every energy, luck earnings are fluid. Here's what I mean. Your luck attribute points, paired with your movement, will result in a rewarded mystery box. So, the greater luck attribute points your sneaker has, the better the mystery box you will earn, right? Well, yes and no. Overall, there are 10 mystery boxes of lower to higher quality with correlating lower and greater rewards respectively. However, while your luck attribute number will allow for earning a higher level mystery box, earning that mystery box is not guaranteed because you must engage in a single moving session for a continual sequence of energy usage to earn that specific mystery box. For example, if my luck attribute points could earn me a level 5 mystery box, I may have to do minimally a 9 energy or 12 energy session to earn that box. If I only do a 40-minute session, I may instead earn a level 4 mystery box. Or if I do a 15-minute session, I may earn that level 3 mystery box. And remember, this is with the same sneaker with the same luck attribute level. Let me repeat, your mystery box earnings depend on 1, your luck attribute level, and 2, a single movement session. Stopping early or going longer will impact the mystery box you receive. And of course, we both know that's not the end of it, as you're likely wondering, well, what is inside? What am I earning? How much money am I making? The mystery box becomes even more complex here. Every mystery box will have different rewards depending on the higher or lower quality of the box. First, broadly, a mystery box, as of the making of this video, will contain the following: gems and occasionally minting scrolls. Any gem reward yield could be any of the 4 attribute gems. Therefore, for any gem, it has a 25% chance of being an efficiency gem, 25% chance of being a luck, 25% chance of being a comfort, and 25% chance of being resilience. However, while the percentage chance for a gem type is equal from mystery box to mystery box, both the quantity and the levels of the gems are not. Generally, higher quality mystery boxes equal more gems and higher level gems. As for minting scrolls, these rarely emerge as a box reward. I cannot provide a fixed rate, but receiving a scroll is neither common nor guaranteed. However, the minting scroll quality reward, uncommon, common, rare, and epic, will correlate with the mystery box type and quality of the sneaker used to earn the box. Something important to note: with STEPN still being in its beta phase, the mystery box earning and the rewards inside have seen slight shifts, so reward quantity and type may change in time. Yet for the purpose of this video, and what we can have some confidence in, is higher quality mystery box equals better rewards. Alright, you have rewards, so how do gems or scrolls even get you earnings? This is yet another complex layer in the mystery box play strategy. You can either A, sell your rewards, or B, utilize rewards for greater play and long-term earning potential. First, you can sell any gems or minting scroll directly on STEPN's marketplace. As of the making of this video, these are sold for and purchased with GMT only. Now you can either hodl your GMT rewards, reinvest, or sell that same day. Just know that there will be significant price increase with gem level increase, further making your earnings and ROI even more of a moving target. Secondly, if you instead choose to incorporate your rewards into gameplay in hopes of greater earnings down the line, you have some options. To name a few, you can insert a rewarded gem into a gem socket. You can burn a number of the same level gems in the hopes of earning a higher level gem, or you can burn your minting scrolls to mint a new sneaker. These, of course, are all further gameplay strategies that require a robust inventory of mystery box rewards as well as a comfortable amount of GMT and GST to burn. That's it for luck, for now at least. If you want to further explore what amount of luck that is needed and how long you need to move for a certain mystery box, I recommend searching out some chart data on the internet. I cannot personally verify to what degree these results are accurate, especially should we see rewards shift again later in time, but user-made charts may be helpful. Just make sure the data you find was generated closest to the date of your search. Moving on to comfort. This, my friends, is the attribute that earns your traditional sneaker the Green Metaverse Token, or GMT, and also helps preserve the HP health points of any sneaker. Let's firstly talk about the main distinctions of the Green Metaverse Token, though this probably necessitates an in-depth video later. For starters, the greatest difference from its GST counterpart is that GMT has a finite supply of 6 billion tokens. In addition to this set supply, the GMT distribution from moving and earning will be cut in half, with a STEPN GMT halving every 2 years. Second, GMT is earned across all chain realms. Unlike GST, which is specific to its realm, A user in the Solana realm is earning from the same GMT supply as the Ethereum realm. Thirdly, GMT earnings will vary compared to GST earnings. While GST earning is set to your efficiency level minute by minute, your GMT earning will depend on how many users you are competing with that same minute in addition to your comfort attribute level. With the daily release of GMT, each user is competing for the same piece or pieces of one pie, so to speak. If one user or users decide not to move for GMT in a certain minute or energy session, that's more GMT for you to earn in correlation with your comfort attribute level. So while in one session you may not see an extraordinary difference of GMT earning from minute to minute, you may see a difference in 15 minutes, or an hour later, or a radical difference a month or year later, depending on if more users join and compete for that same pool of GMT. Thus, the hope is that this will drive the GMT token value up, and we shall see if that's the case, especially with the halving. There are further mechanisms to make GMT more scarce and allow your gameplay, requiring GMT burning for leveling up your sneakers, minting sneakers, upgrading gems, and enhancing sneakers. One more quick thing on GMT earning. Only level 30 sneakers can earn GMT. Expect a little more time and more cost for leveling up your GMT sneaker before the earning begins. The other component of the comfort attribute is sneaker HP or health points. The more comfort, the slower your sneaker HP will decay. If it decays and falls below 80% HP, that sneaker will not count towards your total energy. If it falls to 0 HP, the sneaker cannot be used for moving. To restore HP, this will require comfort gems in GST, but you will not need to burn these as frequently with higher comfort to begin. Lastly, of our attributes, we have resilience. The resilience attribute use case is currently in limbo as we await marathon mode, which is planned for spring release, maybe, I think. Well, marathon mode will essentially be a gameplay option where you commit to an extended distance moving session, pay an upfront fee, and earn rewards and reputation amongst users. Again, I think. What we do have from the white paper, in marathon mode, resilience will allow users to earn more points as their sneaker will stay above the worn out penalty marker. All that to say, resilience currently has a singular use case, and that is preserving the durability decay of your sneaker. After each movement session, your sneaker's durability will slightly or greatly decay depending on your resilience attribute points. At 50 out of 100 durability, your sneaker's GMT or GST earnings will drop to 90%, and a 20 out of 100 durability will result in only 10% of GMT or GST earnings. To repair your sneaker, you'll need to pay a GST burning cost. The amount of GST burn costs will increase with more durability points to repair. Moreover, the higher leveled sneaker and the higher quality sneaker will also increase GST burn costs for repairing. Therefore, the higher your resilience, the slower your sneaker's durability will decay, and the less you need to worry about low earning consequence, and the less GST you will need to burn to maintain a fully functioning earning sneaker. So, coming back to your sneaker, it's all leveled up now, and you want to distribute your available attribute points. Do you want a strong GST earning with a buffed up efficiency? But do you also want to make it have some luck to get the better mystery box after that jog or run? Or are you putting all your hopes in GMT's value and holding out for a comfort earner? But wait, you realize you need both GST and GMT to play the game effectively. And still, for either GST, GMT, or mystery box earning sneaker, you don't want to worry about high cost for repairing it, so you increase some resilience attribute points. It's a lot to think about, right? You only have a limited amount of points and you feel like no matter what, you could be missing a best strategy approach. Well, there is one last main decision to consider with your STEPN sneaker investment. What if you could give an attribute that certain number you want with the points you don't have left? What if there's a way to make those handsome earnings for another attribute reward? Or what if you could go even more all in on a luck or comfort sneaker? Well, this can happen. And that is why lastly, you must consider and choose the sneaker with the right gem sockets. In the next STEPN Basics video, we will cover sneaker gem sockets, gem levels, and just how much more a sneaker might earn, alongside considering how to distribute your attribute points. Remember, none of this is financial advice. Please do your own research. Check out STEPN's white paper as you educate yourself. Make wise decisions. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.